Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process to reset the Steam games, and if you're looking out how to do so, you may follow up these methods for that. So you can start by opening up Steam for that, and once you open up your Steam, you can go over and go to your Steam library directly and find the particular game that you're having the issue with. Now once you open up your Steam, you can look out for your library option at the very top and select it. And within library, you can go over and look out for your game, particularly that has been downloaded. Now, once you go ahead and look out for that game, what you need to do is go to the properties of that game by right-clicking on it. Right-click on it, select the option properties, and within properties, you can just go over and go to general, this section right here, and within general, you can look out for the option to keeping the game into the Steam cloud. So you can just go over and do so and uncheck that option right there from the options in the general. Apart from that, you can locate the saved files. You can go over, close this up, go to the drive where you have currently downloaded that Steam game, and go to your disk, see it is, and go to program files. And within here, look out for Steam. And within Steam, you can look out for your user data. And there you should be finding a Steam ID. So you just need to go over and delete the saved files folder within your ID right here. You can delete it, select it up whole, and delete that all of the files available in that particular folder, and that should also do it. Or what you can do is you can just go over and look out for the saved folders within the game as well and see if it works. Also, you can just go over and launch the game once again once you close it out. For example, PUBG it is, and you can launch the game once again to see if it's reset. And apart from that, you can uninstall the game and again reinstall it if needed. For that, hit Windows plus I and go to apps, and within apps go to installed apps, and just go over and look out for your particular game and look out for the three tone and select it. Select the option of uninstall, and once installed, you can go ahead to the Steam and again download that particular file that you're looking for, and that should reset the game on your Steam. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.